Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to the Philippines. So Sarah and I have been traveling for the last month up in Taiwan, and we just arrived in the Philippines a couple of days ago into Cebu. Now we've taken a 4-hour bus ride further north and a 1-hour ferry to the island of Bantayan. We're going to be hiring a motorbike for 300 peso a day, and we're going to try and motorbike the whole way around the island. We've just arrived at these awesome cliffs. You can see like this ruined building, and then over here is the cliffs, and about 4 meters high and amazing for cliff jumping. I can't wait to get in. Driving on an island like this isn't too bad. It's reasonably relaxing. There's the odd truck that'll come around a corner on a narrow road and give you a bit of a fright, but generally it's okay. One of the cool places to check out on the west side of the island is these really cool mangroves, and there's like this bamboo boardwalk that goes all around them. The mangroves are pretty clean, and there's quite a few fish and crabs swimming around, so it's quite cool that they look after this place, which is great. Mangroves are great for the environment. It's particularly amazing what you can build with bamboo, and a lot of places in the Philippines you'll see furniture and houses built out of bamboo. Bantayan Island is about 5 kilometers long, and it sits just a few kilometers off the coast of Cebu Island. Now to get here you take a ferry that costs 200 pesos each and takes about an hour. Once you get here there's quite a few accommodation options around Santa Fe, which is the main town, but once you get out of there it's like totally local and there's just about no tourists at all. In fact, we hardly see any white people on this island at all. Seems that a lot of the tourists are perhaps local Filipino tourists, and then maybe a couple other Asian tourists as well. It's pretty hot, so that's probably the hardest thing about here. And where we're staying we don't have air conditioning, so we don't really have any escape from it. Today's 38 degrees and we're absolutely sweating, that's why I got a hat on, and we're out motorbiking in the heat of the day. We've got a hat on, about to go. Do it. And everywhere on the island that you go there's always kids like jumping around playing basketball or playing with a chicken, playing with a dog, or just playing with each other. So we motorbiked for about 30 minutes and we made it right to the very tip of the island, and as you can see there's this big jetty that goes out to the very off the end of the island. When we got out there was about 10 kids all jumping off the wharf into the water, and we kind of got talking to them a little bit. They spoke a bit of English, they at least could pick up our names and where we're from. After that we decided to get the drone out, and the kids absolutely loved it. They were going crazy. Now they're still over here, they're just having their last bit of swim before they go home. The water was about 1/2 meter deep and they were doing backflips off a 2 meter high piece of concrete. Sometimes they'd land and you could definitely see that they didn't land in the water, they basically landed on their feet. Here they are behind me, they're still playing around. A lot of fun.
Found a little hermit crab. He's got a really pretty shell. For dinner tonight is a barbecue. So we've got barbecue chicken. And this one here is a chorizo. It's pretty tasty, this place is actually really good.
We're back at the accommodation now and the power still hasn't come back on. So the only lights in the whole place is cell phone lights. And unfortunately it also means the water's not working. So we can't have a shower and Sarah was just swimming so she's all salty. Hopefully the power comes back on shortly, although it probably won't by the sounds of it. It also means that the fan in our fan room doesn't work. Our time in Bantayan Island is over. It's been pretty cool. We've really enjoyed getting to know some of the local kids and exploring the island. As we were motorbiking today, this massive thunderstorm came along and we managed to find shelter under like this little bus stop while the downpour happened, and then it stopped and cleared up again, fine and sunny and hot, like 5 minutes later, and then we kept biking. Tomorrow we're gonna head down to Marlborough, which is a place famous for its sardine run and being able to go and swim with sardines, like thousands and thousands of them, and also for Kawasan Falls, which looks like the most beautiful waterfall that you'll ever see. So we're really looking forward to that. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's the first of our Philippines adventure, so stand by for some more. And otherwise, until next time, cheers for watching.